Good afternoon, ladies and gents. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bailatron, and today we're going to sort out the new lid for the Motovlog setup. First things first, you're going to need a lid. I've gone with a Scorpion EXO 1400 Air. This is actually a really nice lid. Full carbon fibre and at a very good price, 250 quid. I'm not going to do a review on it yet because I haven't had it long enough, but we are going to set it up. So that's one thing you're going to need, a lid. Obviously you're going to need a camera. I use two GoPro Hero 8s, one on the bike and one on the helmet. If you do use an Hero 8, make sure you get the screen protectors because yeah, you can't change the lenses on these. And if you mess that up, that's it. Get a new camera. So screen protectors is a must. You're also going to need the audio adapter. This is very important. You can't do it without it for your mic, obviously. And array of little bits and things that go on it, you know. But I'll cable tie it on because using Velcro, this stuff's made like silicone. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. It doesn't stick very well at all. So just put a cable tie on there just to be extra secure with a bit of 3M tape on the back. A load of gobbing bits, you're going to need them. The curly mounts are the best if you can get hold of these for your GoPro. And you'll need a mic. This is the Rode mic. It ain't that expensive. I think it's about 40 quid, something like that. But I'll put a link in the description below about them so you can see what they all are. And you'll need the adapter as well. This little thing, you have to buy it separate. Without that, it doesn't work. First things first, you're going to need two of these GoPro mounts. Preferably the curvy ones with 3M backing, because it sits nice on a helmet that way. God, I put that one on tight. That's staying on there. These are the bits. Just an array of different sort of bits and bobs and whatever else. Funny angles and 90-degree bends. Yeah, just to make them up so we can get into the position we need it to be. Hopefully. It's in this one. These are only cheap on Amazon. Like I said, I'll put all the links for them in the description below. After a lot of messing around, that's what I've come up with. All these different angles and shapes and things like that. This all makes up so it sits on the helmet properly. I've stuck the adhesive mount on already. So that's on there firm. That ain't coming off for nothing. And then this goes into there. Locks off. And sits at the front of the helmet. This is where I like it. Nothing's in the way. You can get to everything except for these two on the front here, which I had to put side by side. It is what it is. I've also put this one on, ready for the mic adapter, which I'll show you now. There's extra bits I put on the mic adapter, so it just slides in and out, so you can take it off easier. Plus, you know it's secure, so that one just slides into there like so. And then you plug it in, and that's that step done. Oh, another thing as well, if you do get the GoPros, make sure, get out, you buy these doors, because the normal doors you can't put this in. You have to get this kind of door with a hole in it for that cable to sit into. So I'd get one of those as well. And that's how it looks so far. This TRRS to TRRS adapter, which is the little Rode one, goes into your mic adapter, like so. And then I think I'm going to put it underneath the emergency pull tag. So it'll just sit there nice, I think. I think that's the best way of doing it for now. Oh, that's how those come off. That's about as far as I've got. Oh, those side things pop out. Please don't break a clip. And then underneath, seems like it just folds open. Oh, comes out the side. Nice thing about this helmet, well, probably most helmets have got them, but you see this little bit here? That's where the mic's going to sit. A little area, which will be handy. And a little bit of Velcro. This is going to be a nightmare to put back together. Another clip. There we go. There's one bit out. That's all the internals took out. We just need to figure out how we're going to sit the mic in there now. Right then, this is the SMARTLAV. Well, it's a Rode SMARTLAVPLUS lavalier mic with a dead cat, by the way. That's very important because it stops all the wind noise and everything else what you get when you're on a bike, obviously. So make sure you get a dead cat as well. They are a nightmare to put on, but well worth it. Want some slack, definitely there. We also need it to be down far enough, like that, and that goes down into there if we can get it. Yes, right. Is that the right side? Yep. This is a very fiddly job. Extremely fiddly. That's it. Into, yes. But we need it to go down enough. Yeah, it'll work. Gotta go under there, not over the top. It should theoretically go in there. Give me a minute. That was some serious fiddling around to get that in there like that. But we've got it in the end. I'm hoping that when this is on here, like that, this will sit inside there and connect like that. Might change that. We'll see. Do some test runs of it first. So I'm going to end up catching that, I guarantee it. We've got to run it through the helmet somehow and onto there. I think I'll tape it in like that so it sits properly. God, these things are fiddly, aren't they? And I bet you can't see nothing, but you get the idea. Get some of this electrical tape. You're never going to see it, so just use it anyway, because you're not going to see this stuff. Along with that, into there, and hope it's in the right place. We can always move it around slightly. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. And all this, we just want to tidy up and put down the back of the helmet somewhere. I'll just tape this up and I'll be back with you in a minute. Right, now all that's taped inside there. I don't know if you can see it properly, but anyway, I've taken my word for it. It's all in there. The dead cat's in its place right here. And it runs all the way around underneath this cheek pad onto your mic adapter, and happy days. So what we're going to do is put all the stuff back in place. Hopefully. Easier said than done. That clips into there. That's all sat down at the bottom nice. In. Again. There we go. I'll get the other cheek pad in. I'll be back with you in a minute. There we have it, ladies and gents. It's all in there properly. You're never going to see that tape in there, obviously, because it'll be on your head. It's all in properly, everything's all secure. And the dead cat is right up in that corner there. It's being held in by the cheek pad. You can still get to everything. And it should sound right. Well then, ladies and gents, this is what the audio sounds like when it's complete. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe and hit that bell icon in the corner there. That way you get notified of any future videos, which will be at least once a week. Until next time, this has been Bailatron. Ride safe, and I'll speak to you soon. it.